Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So last class we discussed about multiplication of algebraic expression, okay, or multiplication of polynomials. So let's discuss exercise 19C first question. So 6 into 3, we know that it is 18. So what is 6x into 3x? Okay, so 6x into 3x, we can group it like this. Numbers we can group, then literals we can group. Okay, so 6 into 3, first we can write that, then x into x. Okay, actually 6x into 3x means 6x means it is 6 into x. Again into, then 3x means 3 into x. Okay, so we can group a number, then we can group together the literals. So what we will get, 6 into 3 into x into x. That is 6 into 3, 18 into x into x. So we know one rule, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, this is product law. Okay, so if a raised to m into a raised to same base, if two numbers exponents have same base and different powers, and if you are multiplying them, then the product will be, first we can write the same base and then powers are added. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x means x raised to the power 1. Okay, simply x means x raised to the power 1. Here also x means x raised to the power 1. So x into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1. So x, it has same basis, so in the product also the base will be x. Now here power is 1, here also 1, so we have to add the powers. So 1 plus 1, so what you will get, x raised to 2, that is x square. So here x raised to x into x, or x raised to 1 into x raised to 1, it is x raised to 2, that is 18 into x square. We can write it as 18x square. So that is the answer. So 6x into 3x, it is 18x square. Okay, next 6 into 3, we know it is 18, and 6x square into 3x cube. So 6x square into 3x cube. So we can group numerals together and variables or literals together. So what you will get, 6 into 3 into x square into x cube. Okay, we can group it like this. Now 6 into 3, we know it is 18 into x square into x cube. So x square into x cube, it is, we know a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x square into x raised to 3, it will be x raised to 2 plus 3. Powers are added with the same base. Okay, so we will get x raised to 5. So 18 into x raised to 5, that is 18 x raised to 5. This is the answer. So here you can write 18 x raised to the power 5. Next, third one, 5 into 4, we know it is 20, and 5x into 4y. So 5x into 4y. So we can group like this, 5 into 4 into x into y. Okay, so 5 into 4, we know it is 20. Now x into y, we can't multiply this because these two are not like terms. Okay, if it has same variable, if it is both the x or if it is both y, means we can do product law. We can apply product law and find the product. But here one variable it is x and the other variable it is y. So we can't multiply it. So 20 into x into y itself we need to write. So 20 into x into y it is 20xy. So this is the answer. So you can write there 5x into 4y it is 20xy. Okay, next 4 into 7 we know it is 28 and 4ax into 7x. Okay, so 4ax into 7x. This is the question. So we can group 4 into 7 into a into x into x. Okay, so numbers we grouped, then like terms we group. Now 4 into 7 we know it is 28 into a into. Now we know x into x, we can multiply. They are like terms. So x into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1. That is x raised to 1 plus 1. Using product law, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 1, it is x raised to 1 plus 1, that is x raised to 2. Okay, so here you can write x raised to 2. So 28 ax square. This is the answer. So you can write there 4ax into 7x, it is 28 ax square. Okay, next 6 into 2 it is 12. Okay, and 6xy into 2xy. Okay, so next it is 6xy into 2xy. So we can group like the 6 into 2 into x into x into y into y. Okay, 6 and 2, then 2x, 2y. Okay, then 6 into 2 it is 12 into x into x. X into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1. That is x raised to 1 plus 1. You will get x raised to 2 into. Similarly, y into y means y raised to 1 into y raised to 1. It is y raised to 1 plus 1 using product law. Okay, so you will get y raised to 2. So the answer is 12x square y square. So you can write there 6xy into 2xy, it is 12x square y square. Okay. Next, 7th question, 12 into 4. That we know 48. Okay, and 12ax square into 4ax. Okay, so our question is 12ax square into 4ax. So we can group like terms first. So first we can write the numbers 12 into 4. All are multiplication. Okay, 12 into a into x square into 4 into a into x it is. Okay, so 12 into 4 into, then 2 a's are there. So a into a into x square into x. Okay, so we know 12 into 4 it is 48 into a into a. So we know product law, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, so a into a means a raised to 1 into a raised to 1 it is. Okay, so base is the same a. Now powers we will add. If you are multiplying two exponents means we will write the same base, then powers will be added. Okay, so 1 plus 1. Okay, so a raised to 2. You will get a into a, it is a square or a raised to 2 into next x square into x. Okay, so x square into x. That means x square into x raised to the power 1 it is. Okay, simply x means x raised to 1. Now we know a raised to m equal a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x raised to 2 into x raised to 1 will be x raised to 2 plus 1. Okay, same base we will write, but powers will be added. In case of we are multiplying only, we will do this. Okay, so x raised to 2 into x raised to 1 means we will add the powers with the same base. Okay, x raised to 2 plus 1 will be the answer. That is x cube. Okay, so x square into x, it is x cube. Okay, so you can write 48a square x cube. Okay, this will be the answer. So you can write there 48 a square x cube. This will be the answer. Okay, now 7th and 8th one you can do as homework. Now second one, fill in the blanks. First question, 4x into 6x into 2. This is same as the first question. So 4x into 6x into 2. We can group the numbers first. 4 into 6 into 2 into. Then we can write the variables. So x into x. So x into x. So 4 into 6 into 2. 4 into 6 24. 24 into 2 it is 48. Into x into x. So x into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 it is. Okay. We know a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 it will be x raised to 1 plus 1. Powers we will add. Okay. With the same base if we are doing multiplying. So x into x it is x square. So we will get 48 x square as answer. Okay. Next second one, 3ab into 6ax. So 3ab into 6ax. We can group first. So 3 into 6 into a 2 times it is there. So a into then here 1b is there. Here 1x is there. So b into x. Okay. Now 3 into 6 it is 18. A into a means a raised to 1 into a raised to 1. A raised to 1 into a raised to 1 is a raised to 1 plus 1. Okay, that is a raised to 2. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n it is a raised to m plus n. So a raised to 1 into a raised to 1 it will be a raised to 1 plus 1, that is a square. So 18 into a square into, now here only 1b is there, so you can write it 1b into here only 1x is there, so you can write that x also. Okay, so the answer will be 18 a square bx. This will be the answer. Okay. Third one, x into 2x square into 3x cube. So this is the question, x into 2x square into 3x cube. So we can write the numbers first, 2 into 3 into, now you can write the variables. So x, here one x is there, here x square into here x cube. Okay, now 2 into 3, you know it is 6 into, so x into x square into x cube, it is x raised to 1 it is. Okay, x means x raised to 1. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 2 into x raised to 3 means here all the exponents have the same base. Okay, we know the rule, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. If one more exponent is there means you can add the power of that exponent. That exponent also you can add here. Okay, power. Okay, so x raised to 1 into x raised to 2 into x raised to 3 means here the base is the same, x. Power, here first one it is 1, second it is 2, third it is 3. So you can add these powers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so you will get x raised to 1 plus 2 it is 3 plus 3, 6. So the answer is x raised to 6. x raised to 1 into x raised to 2 into x raised to 3 is x raised to 6. So you will get 6x raised to 6. This is the answer. Okay, if one more exponent with the same base is coming, means, and if you have to multiply, that means you can add their powers with the same base. Okay, so this answer is 6x raised to 6. Next, 5 into 5a cube. That is simple. 5 into 5, it is 25. Now only a cube is coming, so you can write a cube. 25a cube is the answer. Okay. Next, fifth one, 6 into 6x square into 6x square y square. 6 into 6x square into 6x square y square. This is the question. So you can write the numbers for 6 into 6 into 6. 3 6's coming. Then 1x square, 2x square and 1 y square. So x square into y square. Okay. Now 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, it is 216. Now x square into x square. So x square into x square. You know a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay. So x square into x square, it is x raised to 2 plus 2. That is x raised to 4. Okay. So x square into x square, it is x raised to 4. Now only one y square is there, so you can write that here. So 216 x raised to 4 y raised to 2 is the answer. Okay, so here 216 x raised to 4 y raised to 2. This is the answer. Okay, next sixth one, minus 8x into minus 3x. So minus 8 into minus 3. First you have to find that. Minus 8x into minus 3x. So while grouping, you will write minus 8 into minus 3 into 2x is there. So x into x. So what is minus 8 into minus 3? It is 24. Okay. Now x into x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1. X raised to 1 into x raised to 1, it is x raised to 1 plus 1. That is x square. Using product law, we are using a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, so 24x square is the answer. Okay, so you can write here 24x square. Now 7 to 10 you can do as homework. Okay, so this much for this class. Thank you.